Okay, me and you are
So-
props.
Okay, let's do this.
Where do you want to go? I don't know where should we go?
Let's go up here. Oh,
Okay, let's not go up there anymore.
Let's go up to the barrels, you should have said.
Uh,
Be a bit more obvious, Lizzie.
I don't know where. Okay, I know where I'm going. I know where I'm
I
going.
don't know where you just went. So...
This way, this way.
Okay.
Oh
Oh God, this is so.
Here we go, let's go, Yummy.
We are
Oh my God!
Oh, I just shot a door by accident. I got 5 of my health. Oh. I found one already! Where'd they go? Where'd they go?
It's outside. Wait, I don't. Oh, really?
Whoa, who?
You getting?
Wait,
Oh,
you
you
found
getting?
Toby? Oh, I thought you'd found
messing
me.
around with Lizzie.
Oh.
Oh, Lizzie, wow. Don't know,
Well,
where
that's
are you?
accurate.
I'm just chilling, you know. You know how it is.
Chilling? Are you near a fridge?
No.
Wait, where'd you go?
Wow.
Where is she?
Wow, Lizzie, of all of the things.
Is she in bed?
Don't say anything. Just leave it. Just leave it.
Okay. Oh my God.
Wait.
Do you think if I moved, they'd notice?
I think so, yeah. Just stay
Yeah,
still.
I think so too.
Bed.
Is she in bed?
Oh, I'm dying.
No, that was me who moved the bed, Yummy. Not Lizzie.
This is brilliant.
She must
She's
be
not-
really close.
How long is left until I win?
2 minutes.
Oh, that's ages.
She's not your wardrobe, is she the desk? She's not the desk. She's not that wardrobe. What is going on? Where are you? Is that lamp? We were really close, apparently. Is that lamp moving? Oh no, it's not.
Oh my god.
I died.
Oh, I got 10 life.
I can't actually change from what I am right now, so I just have to be this.
Keep going into the same room. Is it a chair? Okay.
Is it a chair?
What were you, Lizzie?
A
Look
car.
outside.
I can't look outside, my thing's broken.
I'm a car.
She was
Oh,
a
what?
car. She was a car.
Wait, why am I a prop again?
I don't know, but let's just go with it.
Okay. Wait, can I be this? Oh. Oh my God, I can't get through the door.
Go, go.
Okay, never mind. Did you say Google?
Oh, I said go, go.
Google.
Okay. Google. Google it, bitch. What if I go here? Yeah.
Okay, they're out.
Oh,
Brig up, we're on
shoot,
the way.
really? Because I don't think
Yes.
I'm very well hidden.
Really.
Don't say.
Nothing different in this room.
Ah, they are in here somewhere.
If you like face a certain way, does
They
it?
won't see you rotating, no.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yep.
Then how does it know which way I'm facing? Like which
It
way does it
doesn't.
make me?
I think it like whatever way it was facing when you become it is what
Oh.
it stays.
Okay. Okay.
Is there any duplicates in here? I can't see any.
Whereabouts are you?
Well, that's a we. Looking for you. Oh, I'm pinging. Oh, what?
Where are you?
Oh, I think Joel lagged out. He's like right in front of me.
Oh. I don't even know where Joel is.
Oh no! Wait, he's just running around shooting things.
I'm proper. I just timed
Oh, what? Sneak
Holy
attack!
balls.
I did
Oh,
not
on
see that
top of
coming.
you.
What the heck are you, Toby? I can't even. Oh, I see. I see. I see
you
what you're
dead?
doing there. Yeah, I died.
Yeah,
Yami got
still.
me.
How do you even have a ping of 268?
My internet's just failing. What the hell? I'm just getting stuck constantly. It's really.
I have a ping of 2.
frustrating. I might have to go fix.
That's because you're hosting the server, you derp.
Oh no.
Do some
Ooh,
duck runs.
hunters. Hunters,
Right, let's do
go.
this.
No.
Yami's still running around.
Someone's stuck. Wait, outside. Outside.
They're stuck outside.
I heard something outside.
Really?
It's gonna open
Shut
this
this
door.
door.
Anything weird in here?
There's
Yummy, are you
definitely-
right next to me? Look, Yummy, this is me.
Mm.
I don't see anything duplicated in there.
Okay, let's try inside. Okay, I'm gonna pick up all the beds. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna stack everything in this corner, Lizzie.
Oh god.
This is too intense. There's no dot out here either.
Oh, Yummy, don't give it away.
They're not in there, Toby. They're faking. Joel's a terrible, terrible liar. He's bluffing.
I haven't bluffed anything. I'm just being. Oh,
Oh, hello.
Oh, they are actually in there?
go Yummy!
No! I'm cutting her off. She's
Behind the
hiding.
big barrel thing.
She's in a huge washing machine.
I'm stuck.
I think we got her. What the heck
Wait,
is
she's
that?
still alive.
What?
Oh, damn it!
I got this.
Why did blood splatter on the wall?
Oh,
Wait,
the
this door
washing
wasn't
machine.
open. This door wasn't open before I shut it. Joel's out here.
Are you sure?
He's this bin. He's not that
Oh, for
bin.
God's sake, I cannot change.
No, he is that bin!
Oh, hello, I'm changed.
Joel, he's this bin! He's this bin!
Ah!
I got
okay,
him!
I'm dead.
I got him! You!
I actually never.
Oh, no, I have a really good idea. Follow me. Follow me.
No. Follow me. Follow me.
Follow me.
Follow me. Wait,
No,
where are
that was
you?
the wrong thing. I did not want to be that. Oh my god. Oh my
Where
god.
are you?
no.
Where are you?
I've messed up everything.
Oh no, they're coming, they're coming.
Really?
Yeah,
Got
we are.
5 seconds.
I broke them all. I broke them all.
I've got a really good plan.
You
I
broke
broke
the wall,
everything.
glass bottles,
Lizzie, come and save me, please.
No, I can't.
What?
Oh my god. That was so smooth what I just did. Oh my god.
Whoa, the table's just destroyed.
That might have
There's
been me.
one too many.
No.
I can't shoot it because my thing lag.
You killed it. You killed it. Calm down. Now for Lizzie.
Oh, you'll never
Are you
find
kidding me?
Did I kill someone?
Dude, I took this all the way
I
from
don't
the
know what's
kitchen,
happening.
okay?
Something ridiculous. At
Wow.
Whack!
Wow.
I thought I could get away with it.
Why did you run?
I was having a bit of fun there.
Okay. Doors open, so they're obviously inside.
Or are they?
Nothing is weird in that room. Are you kidding? Are you?
Wait, do you see this?
Yeah.
Is that one of them? Is it? Is that? Is it? What the heck?
Yes, that was
There-
Joel.
Oh, I think he lagged out.
He
I
just
don't
didn't
think
even
he actually
disguise.
thought that was going to work as a hiding place. Okay, there's nothing suspicious in here.
Well, someone must be inside.
Yeah, she's definitely inside.
Someone's also been smart enough to close doors behind them. Oh, she's a barrel. She's
Really?
a barrel. There's a
Really?
barrel up here. This is on its side. It's like, I wonder. Okay,
Wait, I think I saw her move over here.
pick up a barrel and knock all the other barrels down because you won't be able to knock her over.
Okay. She's being really quiet.
She's run. She just went downstairs.
Really? As a
She went
barrel?
down the stairs. She's a barrel. Well, she was a barrel.
She's gone out the door because I shut that. Unless you opened it.
I didn't open it.
Okay, she's out here.
Okay,
Come
I'm
here.
coming out.
She's definitely out here.
Okay, don't let her go back in. Hello.
Where is she?
I'm so stuck.
Wait. Which one is she? She's a car. Oh my god.
How did that not kill her?
Which one is she? This yellow
Who's that
one?
yellow one? Yeah.
Am I hitting her? Does she have loads of health? Oh yes, I got the kill.
That was awesome.